Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, and on one of the pages you should see a hotspot toggle. Now if it's not on the first page, look to the side, so just to do a swipe to the left, and this will show you a second page of toggles, and as you can see for me, the one that I'm looking for is right here in the corner. Once you see the hotspot toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, you want to hold this toggle. This will take you to the settings. Now here you want to select Setup Portable Hotspot, and it selects password by default, but press once more on it to bring up a keyboard. And what I'm doing is completely removing this password. Now you can click right here on the eye to view it. There we go. But as you can see right now, the password that is randomly generated by the device looks absolutely atrocious. So I recommend just getting rid of it altogether and then setting up your own password. It will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Now there's a couple additional settings in here, but by default I recommend keeping them as they are. This will ensure that your hotspot functions almost every time you need it with any device that you try to connect to it with. Now to save the settings, make sure you click right here on this checkbox, and right now we can enable our hotspot either from here by flipping the switch, or later on by finding the toggle and simply tapping on it to turn it off and on like so. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.